Hello guys, today in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can download or install YouTube in your desktop or laptop. Just go to your Start menu and search for Microsoft Store. Go to the search button and type YouTube. As you can see, here is no option available for YouTube, so just let's close this window and try another way. Open your browser, then open YouTube. Here you will find two ways. If you have any video playing, then you will see install YouTube here instead of opening YouTube. Another way is to click on More Tools, then click on Create Shortcut. Option will appear after that. You just need to create, and as you can see, we have got our YouTube here. This is the quick and easiest way to install YouTube in your desktop.